small town with 4 corners, happiness was a fact of life. And law and order were respected. That is, until it arrived.
Dear, did you hear that loud noise? It sounded like it came from the woods.
Why, yes, dear. It must have been one of those jets from the airbase.
My God, Ned! You see what I see?
I ain't seen nothing. You haven't neither, you hear?
But Ned, we gotta tell the sheriff! We just got to!
What beast from hell is responsible for the terror set loose on the populace? Who can explain its evil intents? And most importantly, what does it want with us? What could have inspired such fear in the locals? What manner of terror had visited upon the tiny hamlet to wreak havoc upon the peaceful citizenry?